Hello guys, Sony Bravia X80J supports Apple TV and Apple HomeKit options actually. So using that option, we can project our Apple iPhone, iPad devices to Sony Bravia TV. I'll show you how to access the menu. So in settings, go to system settings and navigate to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and inside that if you go we can configure it. So first time this option will be like enabled to enter the code actually. So if you click on this for the first time, there will be 4-digit code will come, and we have to enter that code while syncing that Apple TV with Sony Bravia. So once after we enter that code, our mobile or Apple device will be linked with Sony Bravia. Basically our Apple iCloud account will be linked, so we can project any of our iPhone, iPad or MacBook to Sony Bravia TV. And this option HomeKit will help us to show our Bravia TV as a device inside the HomeKit app, Apple Home app basically. So we can control, switch off, switch on our TV using that option from the HomeKit app. That's it guys, thank you.